Hello, my beautiful fashionista family. Hello, my beautiful and elegant ladies. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. I hope you are doing great wherever you are watching this video from. In this episode, I have brought together beautiful and super elegant twist braid styles that you love to rock in 2024. You'll be seeing lots and lots of passion twist styles, bohemian twist styles, a lot of twist braid styles that you would love are compiled in this video. Feel free to share with me in the comment section what you think about these styles. And if you're a lover of twist braids or you have a favorite in today's episode, share with me in the comment section down below and I'll be super excited to reply your beautiful comments. If you enjoy watching this video, do want to give it a thumbs up and share the video with others so they get to see these beautiful hairstyles compiled for you. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Braids Home of Fashion, where you get updated on the latest and trending fashion styles. You also get to see amazing hairstyles collection on this channel. If you'd love to see more videos like this, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when I upload a new video on the channel. Thank you so much as you consider subscribing, and I want to appreciate you for watching this video. Thank you all, and I will see you in another beautiful and exciting episode on the channel. Always remember to stay glued, stay connected for more beautiful styles are lined up for you. Do have a lovely day and stay safe out there. Bye.